Hey guys, it's Rob Sacchetto in the studio tonight. We're going to be drawing this sort of mystical box type thing. It's sort of a Dungeons and Dragons, but yet modern witchcraft inspired type of box. The lady who runs Weird Moms requested this. She actually sells these types of boxes, these types of creature boxes, and in a previous episode of this show, I actually showed you guys the box that she gave me. It's really wicked. I love it. I love these things. So, so she wanted me to do a zombie version of those boxes. I can't remember the name of them. There's a name for them to describe them, but I can't remember what it is. But I'm putting a little more effort in this one. There it is, the zombie head box that was commissioned or suggested, rather, I think. We'll find out, by Odd Moms. It's the last con I was at in the Sault Ste. Marie. Yeah, that was a lot of fun, and I hope the person who sort of requested it likes it. I'm happy with it, man. I really think it turned out great. Yeah. See the final reveal on Zombie Daily. The link is in the description below. This is being added to the largest collection of zombie art in the world, and that's owned by me, proprietor and owner and proprietor of the largest zombie collection of art in the world. I'm Rob, the Zombie Guy. Check out more videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.